guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be intercepting a couple tornadoes in Twisted, and yeah, I also got the Tiv 2 yesterday, so the grinding paid off. So yeah, anyway, let's dive right into the video. So now I am just waiting for a tornado to be formed. Oh, would you look at that? There's an EF5 tornado or something around there, so I'm going to try intercept it currently. Let me just find it. Yeah, I'm gonna try intercept that tornado, and I think I need to go down, then like, yeah, I need to go down this way, I think, and just intercept it basically. I got the best Tiv 2 as well, because the 2008 Tiv 2 has the most wind resistance, so I decided to get this one. The grinding did pay off. So I'm just gonna go try intercept, what one is that again? I think it's that one. Yeah, it's that one. So I'm gonna go try intercept it currently. Oh yeah, I need to turn in this way, then that way. Okay. This Tiv 2 has actually a lot of wind resistance, and the tornado attack, all that was added. New interceptors were added as well. What the hell? Why can't I press? Uh-oh. Let's just spawn the... That's how I get out. Because the recording thing is right here, and it's really annoying because then I can't get out of stuff. Which really is annoying. Which really is annoying, not rich. I also got the kitty on my shoulder, as in my old cat. Kitty. It kinda looks like Crimson though. My new cat. Oh yeah, guys, do you think we will be able to get 200 subs by the end of 2025? I mean, around by the end of 2025. So, if you want me to get 200 subs, just subscribe. It's not that hard, it's free as well. And now I'm also grinding for the 2024, I mean, not the 2004, 2024 Tiv 2, so then I can place probes on the back and intercept like that. Might be really useful instead of me just placing probes. I also intercepted a tornado. It was EF1 though. I intercepted it successfully, and I got a little bit of money here. I did have like 80,000 before I started. So yeah, we might have a lot of more money at the end of this intercept. There's actually people right there. Wonder what that interceptor or vehicle is. Oh, that might be a probe as well. Oh, that tornado's getting weaker. God damn it. Oh, there it is. It's actually big. That's a big funnel. As if you can't see it, it's there. You should be able to see it. Wow, that's big. Oh yeah, I'm gonna head. Oh god, there's no road. Oh wait, never mind. There's one road heading that way. I'm gonna intercept that road. Intercept with that road. Come on, hit the road, man. Come on. Okay, good. I hit it without going onto the dirt. Now I just gotta get aligned onto the path with the tornado, which this is one of the most stressful parts because you don't have the time to deploy and undeploy. Don't forget, this is one of the slowest deployers out there. And Oh my god. That's getting weaker and weaker, man. I need like an EF3. Oh! Look, there's a Dow 6. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Wonder how good those things are. God damn it, EF1. It's really weak. Yeah, that is a Dow 6. Still want to intercept this thing though. Oh, I think it's breaking away. Oh, never mind. It's getting stronger and weaker every day. Everything. I'm gonna go a bit ahead. Why is it not coming here? Yeah, I might turn into a rotation and disappear. I think it's breaking away. It was an EF5 though. Sadly, it broke off. Although I think that's a dumb or something in there.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for national.
Bro. Should have gone for that other one.
90 miles per hour.
Come on.
40 miles per hour. Storm. Locations impacted include.
Yeah, I think that might be a Dominator too. I mean one. Oh, it's breaking off. God damn it, man. Well, I just gotta respawn then.
Flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
Now, where am I? Oh, I'm at Prior Lake, right beside the other tornado. Let's go, bro. Come on. Yes, it spawned. First. Oh, there it is as well. Ooh, lucky spawn, man. God damn. Alright, now I'm gonna set up. I'm gonna deploy around here. Okay. Where is it? Where is the end of the tornado? What? How is it? God damn it, man! It was at EF2 just a second ago. TVS. Well, it was 80 miles per hour though. So, god damn it, man! I just missed a good tornado. See, there it is. There's the rotation. What type of truck is this? What is this? Hold on, what is that? It's not that. I think it's like a truck or something. This one? Nope. This one? Probe. Nah. Nope. 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 No. No. Nope. Not one of this. Maybe this. Maybe this. Twister timer. Twister timer. This definitely not. No. Maybe this. Oh, this is it. Should I get it? I'm gonna get it. Okay, I want to see what it is. It's really cool.
If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate
Sad.
them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no
I'm gonna
shelter
deploy
is
it.
available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. In addition, trained weather spotters have reported a final cloud with this storm. See, do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Oh, I'm poor. God damn it, man. Maybe this might be good. Oh, I don't know. Wait, can I deploy with this? Sat. Nope. I cannot. I wonder what this thing even does, not gonna lie. Alright, now is there no... Oh, there's a tornado actually, so maybe this might be good. I don't see it. Oh, I think it might be a dust devil actually.
National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Elma.
Weather warrior.
40 miles per hour. Clued.
Is it a dust devil? Oh no, I can't see it. There's one at Mizpah.
Prior Lake. Tornado is in a basement.
Okay, I'm just gonna deploy, you know what? I'm just gonna deploy and hope for the best.
Seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial
God
shelter.
damn it, how do you
If no
use this
shelter
thing?
is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. In addition, trained weather spotters have reported a funnel cloud with this storm. See, do not wait to see your tornado. Take cover now.
I guess we gotta check again. Come on, man, I wanna see it in action. Is it gonna make me some money or not? Hold on, maybe I gotta add some stuff. Warehouse, equipment. Weather warrior. Oh, bro. I don't know. Oh, what do I spawn this one, man? I know, I'm just gonna get the TIV too. I'm not bothered doing this stuff. There's the TIV, and I cannot see anything, so I'm gonna... Wow, would you look at that? I am stuck on something. How to summon car? Wow, bro.
Tornado moving south per hour. Locations impacted include west for Oklahoma. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado, making it extremely difficult to see.
God damn, I misspelled warrior. I'm just gonna ask the guys that are in the server. So, I don't know, I just bought this thingy. Deploy, deploy, deploy. How do you use this thing? I think I really wasted my money on this. Man, this thing is useless, bro. I don't know why I wasted my money on it. God damn, man. No, I think I might end the video here because these are the like stuff and they're really bad. So yeah, I think I might end the video here. So yeah, join the Discord group, and if we get 200 subs by the end of 2025 and before 2026, I think I might, I don't know, probably shoot one of my Lego sets. I don't know, probably, I don't know. I hope so. But I hope not. Or actually, nah, I'm not gonna shoot one of my things. I might do a live stream on something, but no face reveal. So yeah, anyway, that's the end of the video. See you in the next video.